Hi everyone, and welcome to the Culinary Arts of Ashmont. Today we are making baking powder biscuits. To begin, you will need to measure 2 cups of flour. Begin by spooning in the flour and leveling off using a leveler or the back of a knife. Next, you will need to measure 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Just dip and level. Next, dip and level 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Dip and level 1 tablespoon of sugar or 3/4 of a cup of milk, making sure that it is at eye level. Pack down and level your shortening, butter, or margarine. To get really flaky biscuits, start with cold, hard fat. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Measure and mix your dry ingredients into a medium bowl. Add in the fat, in this case margarine. Cut in the fat using a pastry blender, or if you don't have one at home, you can use 2 knives. Continue cutting in until the lumps of fat are no bigger than small peas. Add the milk and stir with a fork until gathered and mixed. Be careful not to overmix the mixture, or you will end up with very dense and tough biscuits. Make sure you scrape out all your ingredients so nothing is wasted. Accuracy is especially important whenever you are baking. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured board or countertop and knead gently about 10 times. To knead, continuously push and turn the dough with the heels of your hands. Roll or pat the dough out to about 3/4 of an inch thick. Be sure not to roll your dough too thin, or else your biscuits will be crispy and dry. Cut the dough with a round cookie cutter or into squares with a knife. Cut the biscuits close together to make optimum use of the dough. Re-roll any leftover dough and make more biscuit. Place the biscuits on an ungreased baking sheet, close together for soft sides and 1 inch apart if you want them a little bit crispy. For a variation, try cinnamon twists. Pull off a piece of dough slightly smaller than a golf ball. On a lightly floured counter, roll it into a snake. Then tie each snack into a loose knot. Roll in melted margarine and sugar and cinnamon. Bake in your preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes until browned. Check the color, shape, and height. Biscuits should have a light brown flat top, straight sides, and be double the height they were before baking. Serve with butter, margarine, or jam. Enjoy! Cinnamon twists can be enjoyed on their own.